Hi everyone, welcome to Eunice's kitchen. Today I'll be making fish and tofu soup. This soup is easy to make and have a lot of benefits. I hope you like it. Now let's see what ingredients we need to prepare. Today I'll be making fish and tofu soup with sea bass. Why I choose sea bass is simple, has a lot of benefits. It is rich in vitamin A and B, protein, zinc, calcium, and magnesium and selenium. So it is good for the spleen and the stomach, and also good to improve the body immunity. This soup is suitable for all age, especially for pregnant ladies to improve their qi, give them more energy. And another important ingredient is tofu. Tofu is rich in vegetable protein, also calcium, and it's easy to digest. And I usually prepare the half bowl of tofu to cook this soup. And another ingredient, I usually cut 6 slices of the ginger and also prepare some salt and oil. Whatever the olive oil or the peanut oil, both okay. As you can see, all ingredients are simple. So let's start now.